Asus has been launching so many laptops in 2022 and today we have one more new model from them. But this one is like a budget category targeted for like entry level audience, and let me tell you, it actually offers some pretty decent specs for the price point, guys. Pricing of this laptop starts at only 24,999 rupees, and the model we'll be checking out today is their all new Expertbook series BR1100 laptop, guys. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our new budget laptop from Asus comes in this sort of box packaging, and let me tell you, Expertbook BR1100 is available in two variants. You get the regular variant and a flip screen variant with touchscreen on board. We have the flip edition laptop today in the house. Model is BR1100 FKA, and talking about the specs, well, it's got like a complete rugged design, guys. We'll talk about the design and build quality after unboxing part. Talking about the display, there's 11.6-inch HD resolution IPS panel on board that also supports touchscreen. It's powered by Intel Celeron N4500 dual-core CPU, has 4GB DDR4 RAM on board, 128GB M.2 PCI NVMe SSD is there, and has like a 42 watt-hour battery. These were the main highlights and specs. So now let's unbox and check out the product. There is nothing much to unbox over here, guys. You just get the laptop in the package, a 45-watt mini power adapter, and a main card for the adapter. That is it. Now let me give you all a closer look at the laptop and talk about the design and the build quality. See, BR1100 is an education focused laptop made specially for like students, college people, that too with like a rugged design. I mean, look at it. You can tell that it's a very solid looking laptop. It's around 19.9 mm thick and weighs around 1.4 kgs. Build quality looks very good, guys. Laptop is also military grade certified and has a rugged design. And best part is, as I've told you, this is a flip variant of the BR1100. That means the display on this laptop can be completely rotated up to 360 degrees, and you can even use it like a convertible 2-in-1 tab mode, guys. So that's the main highlight on this particular model, and on top of that also has like a stylus built in the body itself. We'll come there in a moment. And not to miss out, laptop also has a special status LED indicator at the top side. Now let me give you all a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on it. Starting off from the right side, now that's a bit interesting. It actually features a physical volume rocker on this model. There's a power button beside that, 3.5mm headphone jack is there, a micro SD card slot behind this, and you also get like a USB 3.2 Type A port. Ethernet port is also available. Over here you've got some more ports which include a Kensington lock, battery charging indicator, DC in port, and a Type C is also available. One more USB 3.2 Type A port and a full-sized HDMI. And this is your stylus which is already included in the body itself, guys. Very easy to carry anywhere. Having a look at the bottom, this is how it looks like. You've got some rubber foot pads, some details about the product, and you see these two grills over here. These are your stereo down firing speakers. And talking about the upgradability, RAM is not upgradable, but yes, the storage on it is upgradable up to 1 TB. So that was our complete overview. Now let me give you all a closer look and talk about the keyboard and touchpad quality. So BR1100 comes with a simple chiclet keyboard that you would see on any other budget category laptop. Good quality keyboard, guys. All the keys felt nice, tactile feedback, and key caps quality was also decent. And overall, guys, offered a good comfortable experience while typing. Though one thing I was missing over here was maybe like white LED backlighting, and I had a bit of issues using during low lighting situations. Apart from that, everything else was fine for this price point. And coming to the touchpad, it's got like a decent touchpad over here. I had no issues with like dead zones or anything. It was easily recognizing all my inputs and gestures, and quality of the integrated buttons are also nice. Let's talk about the display quality. So as I've told you before, this laptop is actually available in two variants. You get like a regular variant, and other one is a flip variant which supports multi touchscreen input, and you also get like a stylus pre-included in the package. So that is pretty nice. And talking about the display, it features a 11.6-inch HD resolution IPS panel. And let me tell you, initially I was a bit skeptical because it's an affordable category laptop, right? So I had my doubts how the display would be, but nothing like that, guys. Display is actually pretty good for this price point. I was not expecting that. There's good amount of detail. Again, don't expect like super crisp or sharp details because it's only HD resolution, right? But for 11.6 inches, it's pretty fine and acceptable. You can't make out that big of a difference. Colors were also nice and accurate thanks to that IPS panel. Contrast levels, black levels, all of these were good. Brightness was also quite bright, guys. I had no issues even in brightly lit rooms. And viewing angles are also excellent. 178 degrees wide viewing angles, again thanks to that IPS panel. And best part about it is, as I've told you, it supports touchscreen, guys. You can either use your stylus or you can even use your finger and easily navigate through the Windows operating system. And it makes things very convenient operating and navigating through the UI. So that is an added bonus. Only thing if I had to nitpick and say is those bezels on the display look pretty thick and give you that old school look and feel. I really wish Asus could have trimmed down those bezels, because see, it's 2022, right? That is the only thing I can say. And talking about the sound, the BR1100 features stereo speakers and speaker quality was actually pretty impressive on this model, guys. It's so much better than a lot of other laptops that I've reviewed recently. It is producing good quality sound with minimum distortion, and audio output was also loud and satisfactory. Well, look who's in the house. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. You people know, right, ROG sends us like pre-built Strix gaming PCs every season, and this is one of those days, and today we have a brand new gaming machine. Moving on, let's talk about the performance. BR1100 is powered by Intel Celeron N4500, which is a dual-core CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 2.8 GHz, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB PCIe NVMe SSD. First of all, before I actually tell you anything about the performance, keep in mind that it's a very affordable category laptop, entry level ab high, so don't expect a lot over here. It's made for normal day-to-day college sort of usage. I've been using it for quite some time, guys, almost 2 weeks, and performance was decently good. You can easily browse through almost like 3 to 4 Chrome tabs at the same time, check your mails, and even stream a video on YouTube simultaneously. But I do have to mention, it's not snappy like mid-range laptops. Thoda patience rakhna padega. Things were taking a bit of time for loading or opening of the apps. For educational purpose or basic college life, if you are looking for like a Windows laptop around 25,000 rupees, then this is fine. And since the hinge can go almost like 180 degrees and can even flip fully almost up to 360 degrees, it'll be good for presentations and stuff like that in the tent mode. But don't expect you can do productive sort of applications over here. Nay, light photo editing can be done, but you can't do video editing at all. Keep these points in mind. Now you might get a question like, Vimal bhai, should I go for a laptop at this price point or should I go for a tab? Which is the best choice for me? Now that can actually depend on a lot of things, guys, including your requirements. If you people are actually interested in these sort of stuff, I can make like a separate comparison video as well to help you decide like which is the best for you. Crazy thing about BR1100 is it's got dual cameras on board. One is your regular HD webcams for your interviews or online classes with the privacy shutter included, and the other one is a 13 megapixel world facing cameras. Yes, that is what Asus is calling it. And surprisingly, camera quality was pretty good for the price point. Okay, we're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery. It packs a 42 watt hour 3 cell battery, and on an average you can expect around 8 to 9 hours of battery life. So it'll easily cover your one whole day at college. Well, that is it for today, our video on Asus BR1100 Flip laptop. Very good laptop for students. You're getting a fully flip-in screen, that too IPS touchscreen, guys. Solid build quality, decent performance, and battery life as well. The non-flip variant pricing starts at 24,999, and our flip edition with touchscreen costs around 29,999 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. Make sure to smash that like button on this video and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.